Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So the unit that I'm going to share with you guys today is from Ali Pearl. This unit is their V-part 22-inch straight wig, 180% density. You can definitely tell that it's 180% density with the quality of this unit. The hair is super full, all the way to the ends. You'll see here in the video. Just beautiful. The unit is definitely gorgeous. That really stuck out to me. This is definitely one of the best V-part wigs that I had. And the unit laid really flat. It had the clips in the front on the part for a really secure hold. And then just little clips on the side and in the back for, more security. Now, I will say that this unit was a little bit big on my head, but I was able to work with it by adjusting the straps in the back. You'll see that later on. I did put the wig on, and then I had to take it off to adjust the sizing in the back. But all in all, this wig is definitely one of the best ones that I have had with the quality of the hair. So I would definitely recommend getting 180% density. This hair looked so good, as you guys can see. But I'm just going to do the basic install middle part. I thought with the straight unit, the middle part was definitely needed. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just enjoy the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, straight to the point. So yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, leave them below and I will answer them. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.